Audio frequencies in Python. I'm writing a code to analyze a single audio frequency sung by a voice. I need a way to analyze the frequency of the note. Currently I am using pyaudio to record the audio file, which is stored as a dot wave, and then immediately play it back. The problem is with the while loop. The condition is never true for some reason. I printed out the two values, len data and chunks width, and they were 8192 and 4096 respectively. I then tried using two chunks width in the while loop, which threw this error.
This function below finds the frequency spectrum. I have also included a sine signal and a wave file sample application. This is for educational purposes. You may alternatively use the readily available matplotlib.pyplot.magnitude_spectrum, see below. You may also refer to SciPy's Fourier transforms and Matplotlib's magnitude spectrum plotting pages for extra reading and features.
If you want the procedure, please consider subscribing.